Welcome back to another video, guys. It's been a minute since we posted. We're about to do some urban fishing targeting catfish, bass, sunfish, and trout. I'm here with my son Isaiah, and we are at a place called the Water Ranch. Oh, look at a fish just came up, or is that a duck? Oh, it's a duck. But if you're new here, be sure to subscribe. We're also meeting our friend Luis, and we got plenty of Arizona fishing videos coming to you. Here you go, bro.
Thanks, dude.
Have you ate
lunch all day? It's my favorite one, dude.
Is it really?
To my life.
Fish hub?
Bro, yesterday I went to Walmart and I walked in and the guy's like, fish hub? That's crazy.
You should make a channel called that. That'd actually be pretty good, dude.
I'm gonna call it Bazzers.
Bazzers? All right, so you're gonna be using the magic catfish bait?
Yeah, how we use it? We haven't used it yet, huh?
No, we've never used it.
So I don't know. I've never really tried it out, so we're gonna see if that works. Then I'm on the other line. I'm gonna throw. I brought a Senko worm and pumpkin seed.
Well, they got a lot of brush. They also got a bridge, but we can't fish anywhere near it.
Is that a rule?
Yeah, you can't fish on the bridge, but look at the way they put marsh on the side. You can't even get near it, and there's so many fish right there. But look at, I was looking right there, dude.
Let's go over there.
Huh? Look at that little inlet right there.
Oh, where all that is at?
Yeah, because I want to try to catch bass while there's sunlight. They just stocked it with trout, and I figured this might work out. As you guys can see, this water has definitely died, which kind of sucks. They got this little area right here that smells kind of fishy. So we're gonna throw this little crankbait in here because they did just stock with trout. But if you catch any bass here, you got to throw it back, which kind of sucks. But hopefully we catch those. If not, we'll do some catfish fishing later. So I'm actually gonna switch, thinking about a chartreuse spinnerbait. Hopefully this does the trick. It's a little rusty, bro.
It's all good.
Switched over to a wacky rig, green and white. We're gonna start hitting these reeds. Dude, that's a disaster waiting to happen, bro. Dude, you're like one of those painters that paints with their feet because they have no hands.
Gotta get two in there somehow, dude.
Bro, guys, last light right here. Just switched, we're drop shotting now, fishing really slow.
Bro, I have a... Hey!
Every single light in this park is on. It's now about 6:17 and it's too dark to fish now for bass with lure, so I'm going hot dog on one, power bait. Look at the line, dude, look at the line. Look at the line. You see that? Yeah, we totally need to babysit them. So we're gonna sit down. Yeah, look at, yours is moving too. Dude, there's 100% of fish messing with that, dude. Now we're just going for catfish or trout. Hopefully trout. I'll take a trout home. Would you? Oh! I just hit him right in the head with the camera. Get up, dude. There's a scorpion right there. Ah! Bro, give your bait a chance. The minute I get one bite.
No, dude, it's because I've thrown it 3 times. Every time I throw it, I think it's a phenomenal cast, and then I see my bait land right in front of me. I was like, oh
my God. I was so hyped about those lights being on. Bro, I missed one. And I caught one.
Is it a trout?
It's a trout, bro. No. Nah, it's a cat.
Oh.
Look at that. I barely hooked him, bro.
Dang, dude. Dude, how many times did that fish bite?
Like 4 times. Then I finally said, I'm going to sit down. I'm going to hold the rod and set the hook. It's not big, but it's a start, man.
Let's go.
Look at that. Look at all the specks on it.
That's why I thought it was a trout.
Yeah, honestly,
dude.
I swear to God, I thought it was a trout too. Dang. Nice. First fish. Finally. You hear it? You hear it? Give him the catfish sound. I couldn't hear nothing. Was it a big bite?
Yeah, it was a huge bite, dude. All right, what do you want to eat, dude? About to dive in. Oh, dude.
That does sound pretty good, though. Do you like that?
I never had it.
You never had it? It's just, imagine mashed potatoes, chicken, and corn in a pole. I'm gonna give you the pole cam. Last time Luis was on a pole cam, it wasn't for fishing. But I just switched over to the magic catfish stuff. I hope they didn't take it, man, because I keep getting bites. I'm gonna peg it with some hot dog. You ever been pegged?
Yeah.
Dang, dude, the light went out at the exact right side. Guys, we switched poles. He's convinced that he can't catch a fish on his pole.
Bro, this happened last time, do you remember?
Yeah, at the river?
Yeah.
Is it a big one?
No, it's small.
No?
Yeah, it's
Dude,
small.
the way you set the hook, it looked huge.
It wasn't getting away from me, dude.
Dang, bro. Oh, it's bigger. Bigger than mine.
Oh, there it is, dude. That looks like an eater to me.
Bro, look at the hook.
What? Oh.
Did it go through his eye? Oh no, I thought it was on his eye.
He's good, he's good.
He said, oh!
All right. Hey!
Nice catch, bro.
I just want to thank my fans, the DoorDash guy.
OnlyFins. Dude, there you go. Fish Hub, OnlyFins.
Oh yeah. OnlyFins, what's another one? Bazzers?
Bazzers.
Somebody told me, I don't know what it is.
Yeah, what is that site? I think they sell...
Bass gear.
Oh, bro, the bite's on again.
Is it?
Yeah.
How she goes? Sorry, it took so long. I had to pump gas. I'm like, wait, you were there for 30 minutes.
Finally, dude. Right after KFC. Oh, I thought I was gonna be bigger. Oh, come on, dude. I forgot I'm using an ultralight rod.
How do you feel about it?
Hi.
A little disappointed.
I mean, at least we caught
It's
one.
all good. I think it's the same one I caught earlier. Nah, it's a little bigger, huh?
Yeah,
Dude, you stink like that magic stuff, dude. I'm gonna have to use some pliers. Look at this.
Marky player? It's on the top of his head, dude.
He's a unicorn. He's gonna tell his friends.
Is it stuck?
Guys having any luck? Not too much. Yeah, they were biting earlier and they kind of slowed down. Yeah. Good luck, guys. Check this out, guys. This is the lake that we were at. But check out all these ponds right here. I think they're all reclaimed water.
There's a campsite right here.
Oh yeah, all the tents, huh?
Yeah, a little tent. I wonder if it's open year round.
Can we have a fire there and we can cook our fish? Dang. Zay, you want to come?
That'd be
No.
nice, man.
It's too cold.
If you guys enjoyed today's adventure, give this video a thumbs up as well as subscribe and check out our past fishing videos. We also have a vlog channel you can check out. We'll see you guys on the next adventure. Take care.